I welcome everyone. Today we are going to make a smart plug with Sonoff Mini Smart Switch. For this we need a double socket, a Sonoff Mini, a cord with a plug, and a set of tools. Like last time, we will use one socket for the Sonoff Mini switch. That is, we will remove this part. And the dimensions of our Sonoff Mini will fit perfectly into this place. Well, let's get started. We have removed the extra connector. Prepare the Sonoff Mini landing site. Now it remains to connect all this with electric wires. And to collect all this economy together. After that we will have a ready-made smart socket. Let's get started. So, our smart socket is assembled. The Sonoff Mini fits perfectly into the vacant slot. It even turned out to be a natural place for the antenna. The cost of this, now, a smart socket was $3 socket, $8 Sonoff Mini, $1.5 cable. Well, your time. This smart socket will be used for my 1S smart home. For driving, turn on and turn off the TV. Let's try to save some money on electricity. After all, we all mean that the TV turned off from the remote control still consumes electricity in sleep mode. That's all. Like it. Share this video. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.